Every day you should press publish on a piece of content, every single day. I say that with a lot of empathy for those brands and those people who work in boring companies, boring industries, boring spaces. I hear you, I feel you. You've been at me saying, Ross, I work in a boring industry. How are you gonna tell me I need to create and publish things every single day? I am telling you that because here's what a lot of people forget. The people that you're trying to reach are people. And people have diverse problems that go beyond the actual solution that you offer. Sure, that one thing that you solve, that one slither of a problem might seem very linear and very basic and boring, but there's problems that evolve around it. There are situations and stories that you can tell around it that actually would be valuable for your audience. So you need to not just think about the problem that you solve, but think about the problems that the people you help have and how you can fix the problems that they have through content. It might have nothing to do with your actual solution. If I'm speaking to an audience and that audience is a professional, let's say they're in the world of engineering, or let's say it's very boring and they're in the world of sewage management, I'm not just going to talk about my solution for tracking the way in which sewage is flowing through pipes. I'm gonna talk to them about opportunities for them to develop their career in the world of sewage waste management, whatever that may be. I'm gonna talk to them about how they can become better communicators. I'm gonna talk to them about how they can be better managers, how they can be better leaders. I'm gonna talk to them about things that are relevant to the problems that they face as a human, and not just focus on the problems that I solve with my little boring product.